have to find what is the potential difference between the point A and point B. What we see over here is one is this closed circuit, one loop is here, the other closed circuit is over here, and these two, they are connected by a wire which has a resistance of 2 ohm and it also has a battery. We have to find what is the potential difference between A and B. First thing we have to understand is what is the value of the current which shall be flowing in this arm. In this arm there will not be any flow of current because the batteries, they always have to maintain their electrical neutrality. Also, in a wire, the current can flow only in one direction. We cannot say that is some current is going in this direction, some current is going in this direction. That is not possible. The current shall be flowing in a wire only in one direction in DC circuits. Why there is no current? Why the current is not possible over here? Let's for a time being we assume that some current is flowing in this direction. If the current is flowing in this direction, it means from these batteries some current is going over here and lesser current is going back to the battery, so that is not possible. The same logic is applicable for this also. No current can flow in this direction because if some current goes in this direction, it means that some charge has flown into this direction. It means the lesser charge will going back to the battery, and that is not possible. As a result, the current in this arm, that is going to be equal to 0. Now we have to find what is the potential difference between these points A and B. Let's take first this loop and this loop separately and we find out what is the current in these two loops separately. Let's first deal with the batteries. This is 20 volt, this is 10 volt. When it will come over here, so this will make a battery like, so this is 20 volt. When it comes over here, this will have a polarity like this, 10 volt, and resistance in the circuit is 5 plus 5, 10 ohm is the resistor. It's something like this. We have two batteries and two resistances. 20 volt is here, 10 volt will come like this, 10 volt, 5 and 5. We are considering only this loop, only 5 and 5, they are in series, so this is 10 ohm. This is negative, positive, positive, negative. So these batteries, they are not reinforcing each other, they are working against each other, and this is a stronger battery, so that shall prevail, its polarity shall prevail. So 20 minus 10, so this is going to be equivalent to a 10 volt battery, and the resistance, equivalent resistance in the circuit is 10 ohm. So when we use V is equal to IR, so 10 is equal to I is 10. So 10 is equal to I into 10. So I is equal to 1 ampere shall be flowing in this circuit. In which direction? In this direction. So 1 ampere shall be flowing in this direction. In this direction, it shall be flowing, 1 ampere shall be flowing in this direction. Same way we can do over here. So if you look over here, so this is a 5 volt battery, and when we shift this battery over here, so this will be something like this. So this is 10 volt battery. Once again they are working against each other. 2 and 3, these two resistors, they are in once again series. So this is 5 ohm resistor, 10 minus 5, this is stronger battery. So as a result, the current will flow in this direction, and the equivalent battery is 10 minus 5, that is 5 volt. This is 5 ohm equivalent resistance. So current is V is equal to IR. So current of 1 ampere will also flow in this loop. In which direction? In this direction. That is in this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, or this direction. It is going to be 1 ampere current is going to flow in this direction. Now we have to find out what is the potential difference between A and B. We are not asked what is the absolute potential because we don't have any reference potential. Nothing has been earthed. We are not given that is absolute potential of any point. So we cannot say what is the absolute potential of any point in this circuit. We can only tell what are the potential differences only. We are asked what is the potential difference between A and B. Let's say this point A is at a potential of V. We assume it. That is, we have taken potential of A as V. Now we find the potential difference across this. 5 into 1, that is drop of in the direction of current. Conventional current is going in this direction, from higher electric potential to lower electric potential, and the potential difference is 5 into 1 using Ohm's law. So 5 volt drop is there. So if this is at V, So this is at V minus 5 volt potential difference, absolute potential difference. We don't know the value of V. So this is at V minus 5. If this is at V minus 5, then from here to here, we see that is from positive to negative. We have gone 10 volt further down. So V minus 5 minus 10. So this is going to be V minus 15 volt. V minus 5, that is V minus 5 minus 10, that is absolute potential of this is now going to be V minus 15 volt. If this is V minus 15 and we have seen that is in this wire there is no current is flowing, so V is equal to IR. If we take the potential difference across these two ends of the resistance, because current is equal to 0, V is equal to I is 0 into 2, so the potential difference is going to be 0 only. 0 into 2 is equal to 0 only. So whether this resistance is there or whether there is a pure conductor, perfect conductor, that is one and the same thing. So now this point is V minus 15. We continue with our journey, and once again we are dropping from a higher electric potential to lower electric potential. So we have gone 5 volt further down. So V minus 15 minus 5. So the potential of this is V minus 20 volt. So the potential of this is V minus 20. Over here we go. So this is V minus 20 and 5 volt further we go down. So it means the potential of this is V minus 20 minus 5. So V minus 25. That is the potential of this. We are asked what is the potential difference between this and this. This point A is potential at V and this point is at potential V minus 25. So we say the potential of A, we have written over here that potential of A is V and potential of B is, what is that? V minus 25. Which is higher? Obviously this is higher. So VA minus VB, VA being at higher potential, that is V minus 25, that is 25 volt is the potential difference between the points A and B. As an exercise, you can also go in this direction. We have taken this path. We have gone from here. We have found the potential of this. 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 What you can do is you can take the other path. From here, you can find the potential of this. 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 From here, you can go over here, and once again, you can reach over here. And the potential difference should come out to be same, any path you take.